Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Greendot to bank account. So this is actually pretty easy, you just need to follow the steps that we'll be showing you. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to actually go ahead and connect your bank accounts. So it is actually a simple process to move funds by connecting additional bank account with your Greendot account. Afterwards, you have the ability to transfer money from that linked bank account to your Greendot account without any charges. These transfers typically appear within a span of 3 business days. Furthermore, you have the option to move funds from a different bank account by initiating a transfer directly through the app or website of that particular bank. This method enables your acquaintance, family members, and others to send money to your account from their own bank accounts. In order to complete this process, you will require your Greendot account details. Now, to establish the transfer and finalize the transaction, you will need to initiate the process. It's important to note that your alternate bank might impose fees for this transfer, whereas Greendot does not charge any fees. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.